have startup entrepreneurs. They've been lining up for a really exciting opportunity. They're going to have a chance to present and pitch their food business idea. So today's entrepreneurs are going to have to battle it out for a chance to win up to 5 million pesos in business investment from the Foodie Group and a guaranteed space in an Ayala establishment. So that's exactly what someone's going to need to get their big break. It's going to get them off the ground and up and running.
I'm super excited for them because not everyone has this opportunity like what they're going to have right now. Not everyone gets the funding that they need to have an actual restaurant. So people are really doing their best. I could see it, and they're all really, you know, they really want this. So I'm really happy and excited for everyone.
The overall winner for Ultimate Taste Test Pro 2017 is Pizza Grigliata Manila.
Then what's nice with that is we're trying to revolutionize the way you take your pizza. Within our culture, our country, our context, most of the pizzas that we have will be more bready. Now you have something that that can be made, can be done fresh.
Can you explain to us the variants that you just had? There's one that's plain. What is that? Truffle?
Okay. That would be the Quatro Formaggi. So you have, yes. And then you have the mango cani. Right now, what you're holding would have to be the prosciutto, rugula. Then you have the classic margarita. Then the one with the egg is the breakfast pizza.
Our dough is homemade.
Yeah.
It's made by us, so there's no preservative in all. And then our...
Is it a secret recipe?
Yes, it is.
Of course.
Yes. And our ingredients are always fresh. We market every day. We make sure that the toppings that we put are always fresh.
This is very good. I like how the dough is super light.
Yes.
You taste the ingredient rather than the bread.
I think, you know, Manila has a lot of pizzas. And
Yes.
you would have thought na you tasted all the pizza. But meron mo pala ganitong grill.
No, but what's unique about it, you have the grill part, you know, you're mobile.
Yes.
You know, if you can cook it in a Breville, then I could put up a restaurant that just has a Breville.
No, yes.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
Galing. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I don't know what to say. Just thank you, everyone. Thank you for all those who help us. We aren't really expecting this, but really, thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Okay. One word for those people who are struggling and you have a great concept, keep pushing. You never really know when your day will come. So just keep on pushing. That's all I can say. You know? To God be the glory.